To set time limit for application on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you will have to scroll all the way down and you will be able to find the Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's go in there, and here you can find this graph with some information. Let's simply tap on this graph, and now we are in the dashboard with the screen time and some other stuff. So now simply search for any application right here. Let's take a look at all of these applications. Here we have the list of all applications that we have on our phone, and from here find any application that you'd like to set the limit. So I will, like, for example, set the limit on the Facebook application. So let's go in there, and as you scroll down you will find this function app timer. So let's tap on this one, and now you can set up the timer limit for the Facebook application, and as you can see it will reset at midnight. So now you can set up the hours, the minutes, set up to any amount that you'd like. Let's set for an hour, for example. Press OK, and now we have this app timer set up for an hour. And from now on, as you will use your application, this time will shrink, like it will get more and more less, actually, lesser and lesser. And after the 1 hour, this application will actually lock and you will be not able to use it until the next day. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can set time limit for an application on the Realme C71.